hard to find a date. There are lots of men who are irresponsible and lots of girls who are red flags. So, for girls out there who are looking for responsible men, manly men, I have some advice for you guys. So, find men with gasoline blood. You know, men with gasoline blood, right? Lagi naman silang nagmamahal. At hindi sila nagmumura. Kaya, you may rest assured. You can be rest assured na hindi nila kayo sasaktan. Hindi nila kayo kayang saktan. At kung matatangkad naman po ang hinahanap nyo, if you guys are looking for tall man, lagi naman po silang tataas, kaya wala naman pong problema yun. And I would like to say that I myself have gasoline blood. Lagi po akong nagmamahal, hindi po ako nagmumura, hindi po ako cheap. Kaya, if you guys wanna date me, just comment down below. I may not be handsome, but kung gusto niyo pa matangkad, tatangkad din naman po ako. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.